Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to tell you a love spell which is a very simple. Do you want someone love in your life? Do you want to cast a simple love spell? If you want to control someone's mind in your life, you just need to follow my procedure. In just 2 days you will control the someone's mind. So now you have to follow my procedure, whatever the thing I'm just telling you, you just need to follow with the full of trust. Now I'm telling you what is the procedure. First of all, you have to do one thing, which is you just need to write the name of the person to whom you want to control, or do you want to use this love spell on her or his. So for example, I'm writing the name which is Jashina. Jashina is my girlfriend, for example. Jashina. You will see the name Jashina. Now again I'm writing the name. Whatever the thing I'm doing, you just need to copy. You just need to write again Jashina with the some gap. Now you have to write your name. Like my name is Mike. For example, my name is Mike. You can write in your own language, in simple words, in capital words, whatever you want to like. You just need to write again your name. You have to write in the same line. Again you have to write in the same. Now you have to do one thing, which is you need to put you have to draw 4 lines. Again you have to write one line again. Again you have to write one line again. Now whatever I'm doing, you just need to focus. It is a very important thing. You just need to write a thing which I'm writing right now. Jashina, come to me and love me. Jashina, come to me and love me. Again, you have to write Jashina, come to me and love me. You will see what I am doing. Now you have to just do. You have to take any spray, any scent, any perfume. I am taking this. You just need to spray for 2 times. First you need to spray in a gap first time and say the name Jashina. Jashina. Now again you need to do from your side, take your name Mike. Now you have to do what is, you have to say this for 11 times. Jashina, come to me and love me. 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 Afterwards, you have to use this procedure in a simple page, in a clear page. You have to tear this page. Okay, you have to tear this page like this and burn this page. You have to burn this page by putting again perfume on it and say, Jashina, come to me and love me. You have to do this only. And now you have to burn this. Comment on my comment section what kind of result you see. Subscribe my channel, like my video, share this video to the person who want to love a serious matter. So do this remedy and tell me how what kind of result you are seeing.